Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug in the HP printer and power it on, then make sure your laptop is on the same network and has the latest OS updates. Open the printer control panel, select Wireless Setup and choose your SSID. Enter the password carefully. If prompted, pick 2. 4 GHz, many HP models prefer it. Once connected, confirm the printer shows an IP address. Make sure to temporarily disable VPN or firewall apps that can block discovery while you finish setup. Now you'll install the necessary software. Open HP Smart on your laptop or run the HP full-feature driver package. Choose Add Printer and follow the wireless setup wizard. If your router supports WPS, press WPS on the router and then use WPS on the printer. Otherwise, connect via temporary USB to transfer Wi-Fi credentials. Once the printer appears, select it, finish driver installation, and print a network configuration page. Make sure to finish by printing a test page from your laptop and reviewing the network status page on the printer to confirm connection and IP stability. If the printer isn't found, restart the router, then the printer, then the laptop. That order clears many issues. Make sure laptop Wi-Fi is not isolated or on guest mode. If problems persist, reset the printer's network settings and rerun the HP setup wizard. This clears stale configurations and lets you reconnect cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.